I'm Sherry Cordova, a San Francisco Bay Area artist whose media is metal. I experience the wonders and fragility of marine ecosystems scuba diving, flying around inside the 3D works of art that are our oceans. My wearable portrayals of the stories within our oceans highlight what is affected when human activities touch our seas. My art gives tiny underwater creatures a voice while leaving sea creatures and the seaside untouched. During a dive off the Hawaiian island of Lanai, I saw invasive coral taking over a reef and wanted to represent the coral animals and their impact as wearable art. Snowflake coral polyps float into ship bilges and travel with the ship. In places like the Hawaiian archipelago, when bilge water is expelled, the predator-free coral animal is introduced to fragile reef ecosystems, eventually overwhelming endemic species. To use the design language I developed, I'd represent the shapes and the movement of the coral polyps in 2D and reassemble them into 3D. I reduced my environmental footprint by laser cutting instead of etching. Industrial fasteners in each piece are a subtle reminder of humankind's impact on even the tiniest of creatures. I drew the coral animals by hand, scanned the drawings into vector files, and fed those into a CAD program for further manipulation. One design represents one of these animals floating on water currents. In the other design, a polyp reaches out to eat or attach to a new environment. To create lightweight earrings, I use 28 or 30 gauge sterling silver, which is more reflective and thinner than metal used in most laser cutters. Forced gas cooling the metal can cause thin silver to move. Where the laser doesn't cut the silver, 100% of the laser energy was reflected. The reflected laser light can cut the tool itself, damaging a $1 million plus tool. The research division of a laser tool manufacturer ran feasibility experiments for me. They determined that two laser types, neither of which are commonly used in industrial applications, would give me clean results at earring scale. I keep my hand in the process throughout, hand filing, surface texturing, patinaing, and finishing the edges of the rough cut pieces, creating spacer tubes and ear wires, grinding and sizing industrial fasteners, and shaping leather offcuts from a local purse maker as inserts for color and dimension. These touches make every piece as unique as each creature they represent.